In this video, we will show you how to add your lock test software and generate the iCode. Click Add Lock icon. Click on Add and type in the lock ID here. You can find the lock ID at back of the keypad. Enter door name and door location here. Click Save and Exit. Click iCode icon and select the temporary code. Click the open field of lock name. A list of locks will pop up and select the lock from the list. Enter guest first and last name. Select check-in and check-out date. Select the check-in and check-out time from predefined schedule. Click iCode icon. From the bottom, a random 8-digit iCode will be generated. You can export the iCode to Excel file and save it, or print out the iCode report to email or to fax to your guest. The iCode report contains iCode and the instructions for how to operate the iCode over the keypad.